Hey boys and girls, so today the insect that we're reading about is fireflies. This is one of my very favorite insects because I really liked them when I was little. I liked catching them and putting them into jars. So let's read and find some facts out about fireflies. What are fireflies? Fireflies are small beetles. Beetles are insects. Some people call fireflies lightning bugs. How fireflies look. Most fireflies have black or brown bodies. Some fireflies have yellow, orange, or red marks. Most fireflies are about the size of an adult's fingernail. Fireflies have 4 wings. 2 soft wings are used to fly. 2 harder wings cover the soft wings. Fireflies have 2 antennas. Fireflies use antennas to feel and smell. What do fireflies do? The back part of a firefly's body lights up. Each kind of firefly has its own flash. Male and female fireflies use their lights to find each other. Then they mate, and the females lay eggs. Young fireflies hatch from eggs. They're called glowworms. Their long bodies glow. So that's part of their life cycle. Glowworms live underground in winter. In spring, they become adults with wings. They crawl out of the dirt and fly away. Oh, boys and girls, it was fun reading our book about fireflies. Now, you're going to get out your insect book and you're going to find your page, your firefly page. We actually have a science word we have to practice today, so I hope you're ready. So the first box, what you're going to do is you're going to write an interesting fact about a firefly. I know one of the most interesting things to me about a firefly is that they can glow. Not many things can do that. They're one of probably a handful of animals that can glow in the dark. Boys and girls, the next part is we have to tell what the word nocturnal means. Now, nocturnal is a word that we have talked about with another animal this year. We talked about this word with bats. If an animal is nocturnal, when are they awake? You're right, they're awake at night. So, we can write that for nocturnal, awake at night. That's what nocturnal means. Then we're going to draw some fireflies into our jar. Ooh, I hope you make sure they glow. Nice job learning about fireflies. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye, guys.